Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do an original hem on jeans as clean as I did in just 4 minutes. So let's go. Before you cut the jeans, let's assume you need to shorten the jeans 3 inches. But you have to actually cut it at 2.5 inches to be right? So you want to leave half an inch for sewing. And then you're gonna go ahead and cut your hem half an inch all around, and then you need to attach them together exactly how they were. For attaching back the hem on the pant, I don't think you need to choose a specific color, but in this case, just because I'm using the nylon thread to do the top stitching, I'm gonna also use it to sew it together, and that way I'm just saving time on changing the thread one extra time. Also, when you are sewing jeans, because these are folding, these are what I'm sewing right now is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 10 folds of fabric that I'm going to pass through. So you're gonna need a very thick needle. For this one, you're gonna need at least a number 16 needle to sew this without a problem. But also, when you're sewing with a 16, you have to go very slowly, very carefully, to make sure you're not gonna break needle, and be, please, very careful, because it is dangerous. Those needles, when they break, they can go anywhere. So please keep that in mind, and always remember, safety is first. After attaching the hem back at the pen, we are going to serge it. I'm usually serging these with whites. It's gonna go inside the jeans. Nobody's gonna see them anyway, but you do however you like. I do it white, and I think it looks just fine to me. When you are done with serging, it is time for top stitching. On top stitching, make sure that you're gonna see the yellow line that it was there originally. And top stitching helps the cleanness of the work, but remember, you need to tuck the hem in 3 or 4 different places, just to make sure that's not gonna roll down when the customer put his foot through his pants. So tucking one on each side, and then one in the front, one in the back, as you can see here. So this is a little tuck that just to make sure it's gonna stay up and it's not gonna roll down, because that is the case for many people. Also, if you watched this far, you might as well subscribe to my channel. And I am making 2 videos a week. They are gonna be very helpful, just like this one. You can see the result now, and it's just beautiful, isn't it? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.